Hello to all, my name is Samiksha Godolkar. In the last video lecture, we see the MOSFET types of MOSFET, N channel and P channel. Now we see the applications of MOSFET. As an amplifier, MOSFET as an amplifier, this is in MOSFET as an amplifier, the enhancement N channel MOSFET are in their off state when no gate to source voltage is applied. However, when biased with a suitable positive voltage, it starts to conduct allowing the flow of drain current through it. This current is seen to increase in magnitude as the bias voltage increases, which in turn leads to the increase in output voltage. Thus, the MOSFET serves as an amplifier. MOSFET amplifiers are used in radio frequency applications and in sound system. The second application of MOSFET is used as a chopper. The switching action of MOSFET can be exploited to design a chopper circuit as shown in a figure. Here the DC voltage VDC is converted into AC voltage with the same amplitude level VAC by biasing the MOSFET using a square voltage waveform between its gate and source terminals. This causes the MOSFET to operate in cutoff and saturation region in alternate cycle. The next application is MOSFET as a voltage regulator. Depletion type MOSFET in source follower configuration are used in linear voltage regulator circuit as pass transistor. Here the source voltage VL follows the gate voltage VG minus the gate to source voltage VGS. Further, VGS increases with an increase in the drain current ID. Thus, if the gate voltage is fixed, then the source voltage will reduce as the load current IL increases. The numericals is first we see the reverse gate voltage of JFET when changes from 4.4 volt to 4.2 volt. The drain current changes from 2.2 milliampere to 2.6 milliampere. Find out the value of transconductance of the transistor. The solution is the transconductance Gm is defined as Gm is equal to del ID upon del VGS, where ID is the change in drain current when change in gate to source voltage is del VGS. Del ID is equal to 2.6 minus 2.2 milliampere is equal to 0.4 milliampere. Del VGS is equal to 4.4 minus 4.2 volt is equal to 0.2 volt. Therefore, Gm is equal to 0.4 milliampere upon 0.2 volt. Gm is equal to 2.0 milliohm. The next example is find out the operating point current and voltage values IDQ and VDSQ for a self-biased JFET having the supply voltage VD0 is 20 volt and maximum value of drain current as 20 milliampere. We know that the value of the drain current at Q point may be taken as a half of the maximum current, that is IDQ is equal to IDSS upon 2 is equal to 12 milliampere upon 2 is equal to 6 milliampere. In the same way, the value of the drain source voltage at Q point may be taken as a half of supply voltage VDD. VDSQ is equal to VDD by 2 is equal to 20 volt upon 2 or VDSQ is equal to 10 volt. IDQ is equal to 6 milliampere. VDSQ is equal to 10 volt. The next example is calculate the value of source resistance RS required to self-bias NJFET such that VGSQ is equal to minus 3 volt. Then NJFET has a maximum drain source current. IDSS is equal to 12 milliampere and pinch off voltage VP is equal to minus 6 volt. Solution: the drain current ID in a JFET in the saturation region is ID is equal to IDSS bracket मध्ये 1 minus VGS upon VP bracket square. we have IDSS is equal to 12 milliampere, VGS is equal to minus 3 volt, and VP is equal to minus 6 volt. Therefore, ID is equal to 12 milliampere. 1 minus 3 upon minus 6 bracket square, or ID is equal to 9 milliampere. Since the voltage VGS is generated across the source resistance RS, we have RS is equal to VGS upon ID is equal to 3 volt upon 9 milliampere is equal to 333 ohm. The next example is a JFET produces a gate current of 2 nanoampere. When a gate is reverse biased with a 8 volt, determine the resistance between gate and source. Solution is the reverse gate source voltage VGS of 8 volt produces gate current IG of 2 nanoampere. Therefore, gate to source resistance RGS is equal to VGS upon IG 8 volt upon 2 nanoampere is equal to 4000 mega ohm. RG is equal to 4000 mega ohm. Thank you.